And expanding access to health care, how CVS is helping the Valley's growing homeless population. That's where we begin tonight at 9. Thanks so much for joining us. I'm Nicole Kreitz.
Hi, everybody. I'm Jared Dillingham. With the recent surge of COVID cases and the huge spikes in rent and housing costs, more people are losing their homes. Well, CVS just launched what they're calling a Health Zone initiative in Phoenix. Elliot Polikoff is in our newsroom with more on how they're partnering with nonprofits to get help to people who need it.
Jared, when you think of CVS, you usually think of the pharmacy a few minutes away from your house or apartment. But their Health Zone initiatives, they're investing hundreds of thousands of dollars and at least 5 years of time into Valley nonprofits with the goal of creating new approaches to providing health care resources.
I would never wish that upon anybody.
9 weeks, 4 kids, 2 adults, 1 car. The COVID pandemic cost Phoenix native Mariana Romero Garcia her job at Family Dollar, her apartment, and up until December, her hope that things could get better.
I just was ready to just give up and just be like, you know what, I don't know what to do anymore, because it just, with evictions and with, losing my job, and it just was too much stress.
Just before Christmas, Romero Garcia and her family found a temporary home at UMOM New Day Center in Phoenix, one of 4 Valley nonprofits CVS partnered with as part of its Health Zones initiative.
We really try to identify the areas of greatest need. We try and fill out social determinants of health priorities and initiatives through our national partners and our local partners to see if we can really affect change.
All in all, CVS has invested $280,000 into these nonprofits. It's a 5-year program that, at least for UMOM, means additional resources towards Newsom Village, UMOM's affordable housing community that will soon open in South Phoenix.
The opportunity for CVS and UMOM to go in together to build this complex where you've got 62 and 3-bedroom apartments, all filled with families who need it the most. It's a godsend.
One that Mariana wants her family to be a part of once they leave temporary housing.
I've been on Phoenix's wait list since 2016. So, it's hard.
But thanks to UMOM and CVS, for the first time in a long time, Mariana's hopeful for what lies ahead.
This is a great opportunity for a lot of families to be able to get back on their feet.
That Newsom Village is expected to be completed in the next 2 to 3 months. As for the Health Zone initiative, Eileen Boone says to expect the number of nonprofit organizations to grow over these next 5 years as CVS continues to evaluate how to best tackle the gap in health equity. Live in the newsroom, Elliot Polikoff, Arizona's fan.